Hi, good morning, Wednesday morning, and weather today in Tenerife isn't looking so good. Okay guys, raining, so we're on 2 feet. We are heading for a petrol station, basically a service station with a museum, a little museum and cafe. Quite a lovely area around here, even in the rain, and the beauty of this climate is all the flowers, trees are all out. Beautiful really. It's not a day to be up a mountain on a motorbike. We keep hearing claps of thunder. Yes. Brightening up a bit now.
What's that later?
Still got the beach coned off. Slightly odd, isn't it? There's a boat on a wall. They got black sand over here. At least it's warm and wet. This is a fuel station, and that's the price per euros. 1.34 per litre, and that's euros. And diesel's 1.41. Well, we're in the full force of it now. Can you hear the thunder? Thunder and lightning. Whoa. Well, guys, I've learnt something today that bananas, when they're growing, they grow with the pointy bit going up. Yeah. I thought you'd find that really interesting. Wow, that was a slog. 6.8 kilometres from our hotel.
In a thunderstorm.
In a thunderstorm, yeah. God, he chucked it down.
Let's hope we've got some coffee going in.
Let's hope this place has got coffee. But see how cheap the petrol is? 1.28 a litre, and that's 1.28 euros. We are being massively ripped off in England. But anyway, let's see what the coffee's like. Wow. There it is. Our coffee's arrived. They're big. Really unusual places because it's a filling station. Looks like a bar.
It's not a filling station, go with a bar, would you really?
No. But they've got alcohol up there as well. And obviously coffee, and round this side there's a museum. Oh, coffee was good. Really interesting bar there behind us. Let's have a look what the museum's got. Got a Kawasaki Z1300 with a coffee tank in there. 6-cylinder. So all set up for Christmas. Got the little baby Jesus. I've no idea what that is. Excelsior. I think it would work better without the mannequins. One up on the bridge, look. I'm not sure what it is, but that's an MG, isn't it? Yeah, it's a BMW at the end there, yeah. W Beetle there, looks in good condition. It does, yeah. Well folks, we've really come out in a tropical storm now, and Carol's not happy. She's not happy. I said we should walk back.
I said we should go on the bus.
And we've still got about 3 miles. I mean, it's beautiful out there, isn't it?
It's beautiful, yes. It's also very, very wet.
Very, very, very wet. But your pants are wet, aren't they?
Oh, bloody hell.
I'm afraid our room is leaking. It's leaking from up there. Not good if you're on the sunbed.